Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started with lesson 3. Today's lesson objective says I can use fraction bars and area models to show the division of fractions by fractions with common denominators. I can make connections to the multiplication of fractions. So all we're doing today is dividing fractions by fractions. We no longer have to turn a whole number into a fraction and then divide. All we're doing now is the skip dot flip rule. Okay, and I will draw up a couple models just to show you a visual on why these are true. So example number 1, 8 ninths divided by 2 ninths. I'm going to skip dot flip. 8 ninths times 9 halves. Okay, I can multiply across or I can cancel out. I see a cross from each other. Okay, I know the 9 and the 9 can cancel out, and that would both be 1. Okay, the 8 and the 4 both can be divided by, or the 8 and the 2 both can be divided by 2. So I get 1 and 4. I multiply across and I get 4 over 1. Okay, if I didn't multiply across, I would have gotten 72 over 18, and this would have simplified to 4 over 1 as well. Okay, I want to show you a quick visual. I'm going to draw a tape diagram with 9 units. Okay, and I'm going to shade in 8 ninths because that's the number that's the dividend that we're using, okay, right here. I'm going to count out how many 2 ninths there are in 8 ninths. And again, we see that there are 4. So this is true. Okay, let's move on. Example number 2, 9 twelfths divided by 3 twelfths. I'm going to do the same thing, skip dot flip. Okay, I can cancel, and that's what I'm going to do because there's big numbers. So this is equal to 1 and 1 because they're the same number. This would be 1 and this would be 3. I get 3 over 1. And 3 over 1 is equal to 3. Okay, if I made a model that had 12 twelfths and I shaded in 9 twelfths, there would be 3 twelfths and 9 twelfths. Okay, example 3, 7 ninths divided by 3 ninths. I'm going to skip dot flip. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel out the 9s because I can, and I get 7 over 3. Okay, 7 over 3 is equal to 2 and 1/3, or you can just leave it 7 over 3. And that is our answer, guys. We're going to go ahead and work on number 2 on here. Okay, 4/5 divided by 2/5. We're going to just skip dot flip. I'm going to cancel out the 2s, or the 5s. Okay, and this can cancel out as well. Multiply across, I get 2 over 1, which is equal to 2. Next one, 9/4 is equal, or 9/4 divided by 3/4. Skip dot flip. We can cancel out the 4s, that equals 1. Cancel out the 3 and the 9. Multiply across and I get 3 over 1, which is equal to 3. Number 4, 7/8 divided by 2/8. I'm going to skip dot flip. I'm going to cancel out the 8s. They turn into 1 and I get 7 halves, or 3 and 1/2. Number 5, 13 tenths divided by 10 over 2. I'm going to cancel out the 10s. And I get 13 over 2, which is equal to 6 and 1/2 as well. All right, number 6, 11 ninths divided by 3 ninths. I'm going to skip dot flip. Cancel out the 9s. Makes it easier. And I get 11/3, which is equal to 3 and 2/3. Those are my answers. All right, guys, that is it. Our lesson summary says when dividing a fraction by a fraction with the same denominator, we can use the general rule a over c divided by b over c is equal to a over b. Okay, I'm going to send you this problem set. Please do it and get it turned in. Have a great day.